I said I would do another channel update, and the time have come for me to let the community that have been with me for the past 11 years know what is happening to this channel on the back end. The last channel update I did was about a year ago, and during that time, YouTube was deleting videos from this channel and the second channel for violent and graphic content. As a result of YouTube deleting videos, I decided to convert all videos into DVD format. The reason I converted the messages into DVD format, I can't repost the videos YouTube deleted from the channel. I thought converting the messages into DVD format would give Open Diaries community the opportunity to view the videos that was deleted. Also to have the messages available outside of YouTube to help in time of need, especially when the famine of the word comes. On the back end, YouTube decreased the visibility of many channels even when they don't violate community guidelines, making it difficult for subscribers and non-subscribers to find the videos. Having the messages available outside of the platform is good for the community, especially when social media is no longer available for the community the Most High built through Open Diary. I want to thank everyone who supported and continue to support the channel by purchasing the DVDs and t-shirts from the Wisdom Tees online store. For those of you who are new and recently subscribed, welcome to the community. I hope the messages on this channel will help you on your journey to returning back to the Most High. To my returning subscribers, thank you for the support and encouragement over the years. Since I started this channel back in 2015, YouTube have looked for ways to scrutinize everything I do. Even when this channel had less than 1,000 subscribers, my videos was being flagged and demonetized. Despite never receiving any community guideline strikes on the channel, YouTube always attacked the channel on the back end. Hate speech was the excuse YouTube used to delete videos that they felt didn't represent their platform at the beginning of creating content on this channel. That was during 2015 to 2017. Hate speech was the community guideline they used to delete many videos on this channel. Around 2020 to 2024, violent and graphic content is a community guideline they started to use to delete videos when they could no longer use hate speech as their reason to remove videos. Now that they can no longer use hate speech and violent and graphic content against the channel, YouTube started to suppress the channel even more. Some of you that have been on the channel noticed that I have been stuck at 49,000 subscribers for like 3 years. I can tell you that this channel have surpassed 100K subscribers. As I get the subscribers, YouTube removed them, making it appear as if I'm not getting any new subscribers. There was a time when this channel would get 1,000 subscribers in a week. Now it would take over 2 years to get 1,000 subscribers because of how YouTube suppressed the channel. I have been on YouTube for a while. This channel and the backup channel is not my first monetized channels. My very first channel was monetized, and that was how this channel became monetized. I had my first channel before YouTube was purchased by Google. I miss the days when you can broadcast yourself. That was the slogan back then. Now YouTube is nothing but propaganda and politics. Let's fast forward to what's happening on the back end to the channel in the past 2 years. I noticed in 2025, every upload and community post was flagged for review. YouTube was no longer removing my videos, but everything I posted was being reviewed. The way YouTube pay attention to this channel, you would think I am some sort of CIA agent who was sent on a highly classified secret mission, the way YouTube is paying so much attention to this channel. Every single video, short, and community post was flagged for review. Before you watch any video, it was being reviewed by someone at YouTube. Since I noticed everything was being flagged for review, I asked why. The excuse given was sometime YouTube review videos. When I said to the representative, I understand reviewing some videos once in a while, but every video is excessive. I can show you the notifications I receive from every single upload. Imagine if I was a content creator that was uploading every single day and multiple times a day. I guess Google and YouTube have a lot of time on their hands. Someone or a machine is reviewing everything I upload on the platform before you get to see it. While they are doing all of this on the back end, the channel didn't have any community guideline strike or violation, absolutely no violations. A warning was the only violation I've ever received on this platform. That was during the days when they used hate speech as their reason for deleting videos. That was like back in 2017. Since then, no violations or problem from my end. On April 2nd of this year, this very month, I woke up to an email sent to me from YouTube saying that they've reviewed my channel. That's nothing new. They have been reviewing everything always. They said they noticed a large portion of my content didn't align with their YouTube partner program, and they said the channel could no longer be a part of the YouTube partner program. Keep in mind the channel had no violations, no community guideline strikes, no copyright strikes, no nothing. At first I thought it was a joke. Then I said it's definitely an error. In the past, they tried to remove the second channel from the partner program, and that was an error, and they fixed it. When it came to this, I thought the same thing happened. I contacted Google to find out what happened in the last 24 hours because the email I received was very vague. The representative that assisted me didn't know either, and she went to verify. It took a couple of days to get an answer. When I finally received a response, it was a computer-generated email letting me know that my content was being flagged for inauthentic content. Keep in mind that everything I upload on the channel was being reviewed before it could go live. Now I am being accused of producing inauthentic content. I didn't know in what way they are saying my content was inauthentic. So I went to their guideline page to find out what did that mean by being inauthentic content. When I looked it up, it said I was mass producing content to increase views and likes on this channel. I am not making this up. This is very real. This is happening in real time. In addition to mass producing, they said I was following some kind of template to make my content, and because they said I was following a template, my content wasn't original. I was removed from the YouTube partner program for mass producing. If someone truly reviewed the channel like they claim, they would see that is false. The representative said to me via email, the recent decision they made was final and not subject to reversal, even though YouTube gave me the opportunity to appeal. Even if I appealed, it wasn't going to be reversed. Open Diary was removed from the YouTube partner program for mass producing. I'm not going to compare other content creators' content to mine because they have nothing to do with what's happening with me. But this is a big deal. All content creators need to watch out. The reason I say it's a big deal, I am a content creator that posts once a week. Can you imagine what they will do to content creators that post multiple times a day? The moment they said mass producing to increase views and likes, I knew this was a personal attack. I post one video per week. That's every Saturday. If I wanted to increase views and likes, I would post every single day and multiple videos per day. But I post once a week. When it comes to shorts, I post 5 shorts a week, and that's not every week. In the YouTube world, that's mass producing. If you're a YouTuber that posts multiple videos per day, watch out because I post once a week and I was removed from the partner program for mass producing. When it comes to them saying I was using some sort of template, YouTube should tell me what template I am using to create my content that make it not mine. I don't know if I should be flattered because my work is that great that made them believe I am following some sort of guide to help me make my content. If YouTube is going to make such accusations, they should have proof. They should tell me what template I am using, what part of the content is not mine, and how do they know I am trying to increase views and likes, unless they are suppressing the views and likes, and we all know they are doing that to this channel. Now YouTube is criminalizing how I make my content without any proof. At first it was what I was saying, now it's how I am making my content. I don't follow any template to create content. I didn't know pictures and video clips I made was a template. For whatever reason, that is what they claim to remove the channel from the partner program. I am innocent of their claims, but this is how they are attacking the channel on the back end currently. For those of you who are aware of the second channel, on April 21st, this very month, they removed that channel from the YouTube partner program as well, for the same reason. I really think that the companies that pay YouTube for advertisement should do an internal investigation on that platform because they are not getting their money's worth on advertisement. Because YouTube don't display the ads on channels they dislike, which cause these companies to lose on new customers. Also, if they are displaying ads, YouTube decrease the visibility of channels like mine that it won't reach a large audience. At the end of it all, the companies that pay for advertisement loses. Also, for those of you that supported me through super chats during the live or using any YouTube monetary avenue to support the channel this month in April, I would tell you to request a refund from YouTube. I didn't receive any other donations you sent through super chats on YouTube. According to YouTube policies, they have the right to keep all the money earned, including the super chats you sent me that had nothing to do with advertisement on the channel. Make sure you get a refund. This is what's currently happening with the channel on the back end. After they removed the channel from the partner program, they decreased the visibility of the channel even more. Know that if you don't see any content from me in a while, always visit the page for new upload because YouTube made it difficult to find my content. Know that I will post every Saturdays at 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. on the second channel. That won't change unless I'm taking a break. I will continue to do the will of the Most High regardless if the channel is in the YouTube partner program or not. As you can see, I continue to be consistent after they removed me. At least now you get to watch the videos without any interruptions. If you're ever led to donate, don't use YouTube to do so. There are other ways to support the channel outside of YouTube. Regardless if YouTube fixed their error, I am here and I will continue to do what I was called to do until the Most High tell me to move on. I hope the lovely community that have been with me for the past 11 years continue to grow spiritually, even if this channel is no more. Don't let anything stop you from seeking the face of the Most High. If I miss anything, I will let you know in another channel update. But shalom for now.